Over time, dirt and debris can build up on concrete surfaces like driveways and patios. Oil stains on driveways, dirty cement patios, and soiled, grimy sidewalks look terrible and hurt your home's curb appeal. A simple way to give your property value a boost is by cleaning your stained concrete, driveways, and paver surfaces with Oil Eater Cleaner Degreaser. Oil Eater Cleaner Degreaser is a professional strength concentrate that's powerfully formulated to give the stains on your concrete or pavement a pounding without harming the environment. It's biodegradable, non-toxic, non-corrosive, and easy to use. Here's what you'll need to get the job done: a bucket, garden hose, a long-handled brush, broom, or pressure washer, and Oil Eater Cleaner Degreaser. If you're using a brush, first fill the bucket with a 10-to-1 mixture of water and Oil Eater Cleaner Degreaser. Then, hose down the concrete surface with water. It's best not to work in direct sunlight as it dries the surface too quickly. Working in sections, scrub the concrete with a long-handled brush or broom. Let the cleaner soak for 5 minutes, but don't let it dry. Finally, rinse the section you just cleaned as well as the landscaping with water before the cleaning mixture dries. Repeat these steps until you've cleaned the entire surface. If you're using a pressure washer, first cover any landscaping that may be damaged. We also recommend wearing safety goggles whenever using a pressure washer. Hose down the entire driveway with water and avoid working in direct sunlight as it dries the surface too quickly. Next, prepare your pressure washer by filling its chemical tank, if equipped, with Oil Eater Cleaner Degreaser, being sure to dilute the water per your manufacturer's directions. If no dilution instructions are available, use 10 parts water to 1 part cleaner as a starting point. If your pressure washer does not have a chemical tank, apply the cleaner to the surface being cleaned using a garden spray tank and a dilution ratio of 10-to-1, applying Oil Eater Cleaner Degreaser to the concrete surface. Work in small sections and never allow the cleaner to dry without rinsing. Then rinse the surface well with a high pressure setting. Repeat in sections until you're finished. Oil Eater offers a wide variety of products to tackle your toughest household and commercial cleaning challenges. Head to oileater.com for more cleaning tips.
Oil Eater. Hungry to clean.